Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to run PicoLLM Llama with Python. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure you have Python installed and go to the developer console and grab your access key. Next, you're going to want to go to PicoLLM and download the Llama 2.13b file. I already have that downloaded, and make sure you know the path to it. Next, we're going to want to create a project and open a new Python file. Make sure to initialize the PicoLLM engine using your access key in the model path, and then give it a prompt. I'm going to do the capital of Canada, Ontario is. But before we do that and run our thing, we're going to want to make sure we have PicoLLM installed. So you're just going to want to run this code. It's going to give me that I already have it installed. So I'm just going to restart our terminal, and let's run Python 3 Llama. And there you have it. The capital of Ontario is Toronto. Thank you for watching, and visit Picovoice AI for more tutorials.